What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today, my motto wants to put up all her hair. We have a 5x5 closure. So I'm going to do her some bangs. She want to do some bangs for her closure. She wants the natural scalp looking style. So what I did here is I already put her closure on. I already sold in the first bundle. I'm going in with the second bundle now. Stay tuned. Once again, if you guys want to take a one-on-one class with me for a very detailed one-on-one, I do offer those. Just reach out to me on any platform. All my details and information will be located in the description box. So now that I am done sewing, I'm going to just add a little bit more glue to her closure in the front. If you guys want it to be glueless, that's an option as well. It does not have to be glued down. If you're a person that wants something, just a little more secured, you can get it glued down, and then I guess when it starts to lift or you loosen up, it'll still be fine. So now we're gonna go into cutting her fringe bangs. Other clients that comes in that gets banged, they be really scared. They be like, oh, don't cut it too short, or oh, I don't want it too tight, or I don't want it too full. Like, I swear, every time I do somebody bangs, everybody have their own preference. So I like to cut with a razor. Yes, you do have to be careful, because especially if it's sharp, it'll cut straight through. So as you can see me here, right here, I'm gently, just, I guess, what would you call it? I wouldn't say shaving, but I'm just cutting her bangs. I like the razor because it gives it a more like fringe would, like a more like not so even straight across. You kind of want it to be, a little loose, a little, you want it to trim it down some to your liking. So it's a lot when it comes to the bangs. It's not as easy as what people think. sometimes it be too close to people's eyes, and you don't want it too above the eyebrow. So I mean, I just did it. You feel me? Y'all, I'm so sorry too. This whole time, like, I just knew something was different, something was off, and I end up filming this whole thing like this, and then I put my phone horizontal. Like, what? So it won't be too many of these type of videos. I think I did like one more of this, like this. That's pretty long. That's like 10 minutes. But I do apologize for the ones that's probably like, dang, I can't even see. You know what I'm saying? But I really wanted y'all to see me do this look. And then when I noticed that I filmed it like this, I was like, FK. You know, I can't say the word. That's so lame. Alright, stay tuned for the final look.
Zaro.
Okay, y'all see me playing with them bangs so many times. I got it right. I had to flat iron her hair some more. This color looks really, really good on her skin complexion. Yes, yes, yes. I kept telling her that too. Like, girl, this color look good on you. So if anyone is interested in scheduling or booking an appointment with me, I am located in Buckhead, Georgia. I am your local Atlanta hairstylist, FranShon, straight out of the 313. Okay. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment below. Send me some hearts and some kisses. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.